This is the strangest place I have ever seen. There is no staff, there are no cameras, and look at this. One sad memory? What does that mean? Is this a joke? Excuse me, sir. I want to buy this camera. How much is it?
You already read the tag, young man.
It says a sad memory. I don't have money, but I have plenty of memories. If you give me the memory, you forget it forever. Do we have a deal? Wait, if I give him my saddest memory, I will be happy and I get a free camera? Would you do it? Type your answer in the comments right now.
It worked! I don't feel sad anymore. I don't even remember why I was sad. This is the best shop in the world. Sir? Why is the door locked? I paid your price!
You forgot your sad memory, Arjun. But that memory was the only reason you knew the way home.
What? I don't know where I live. I don't know who my mother is. You traded your identity for a camera. I am in big trouble. While I try to find my way home, let's look at the unique words from this story. Identity, who you are, your name, your family, your past. Trade, to give one thing and get another. Bargain, a very good price. Statue, a figure made of stone or wood that does not move. Wait. The camera. It didn't take my memory. It captured it. Viewers, I need your help. To unlock the door, I need a metaphor for freedom. If you can write a sentence in the comments, the door might open. Please help me. I'll see you in the next episode. If I remember who I am,